If you're experiencing a streaming error on Max 2026, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to load other websites or streaming services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Max 2026 app completely and then reopen it. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the streaming error. Make sure to give it a moment to fully restart before trying to stream again. Step 3. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the problem persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Go to your device's settings, find the Max 2026 app, and select the option to clear cache and data. Step 5. Reinstall the app. As a last resort, uninstall the Max 2026 app and then reinstall it. This can fix any underlying issues that may not have been resolved through the previous steps. After reinstalling, log back in and check if the streaming error is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the streaming error on Max 2026. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.